Also on the programme tonight, warnings about water. Yorkshire and the northwest of England are already in drought. This Derbyshire reservoir is at its lowest level on record for this time of year. Blustery on the beach today, but a yellow health alert for parts of England from tomorrow, with temperatures due to peak at more than 30 degrees.
The Environment Agency is warning today that England will face huge water shortages if action isn't taken to bolster supplies and reduce demand. It's predicting a shortfall of 6 billion litres a day by the year 2055.
If you are concerned about the situation with the water at the moment, one thing you might be wondering is, are we going to get any rain over the next few days? Carol can answer that question for us.
There's a wee bit of rain today, Sal, but not much. And then beyond that, for the next few days, certainly up until the end of the weekend, there really isn't much rain in the forecast at all. What is in the forecast is heat building. So good morning, everybody. This morning, some of us waking up to some blue skies, bit of cloud around, as you can see here in South Queensferry. But as I was just saying to Sal and John, as we go through the next few days, the heat is going to continue to build. Good morning, both. In a word, hot.
Hot.
Good.
Yes.
You're talking about me?
Always, John. Always talking about you. Good morning to you too. This morning, it is a fine start to the day for many of us. We've got some patchy light rain, which is sinking south across Scotland and Northern Ireland. We're dragging in, as we go through Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, this hotter air from the nearer continent. The other thing about today is, if you have an allergy to pollen, the levels are high or very high across much of the country. We're talking grass pollen predominantly, but there is some weed pollen in there as well. But as we head on into the weekend, we see temperatures really climb, particularly so through England and Wales, where we could reach 31 or 32 degrees.
Hot and steamy, and it's not even 7 o'clock. You're making us blush.
Are we still talking about you, John?
You're absolutely not. Carol, thank you very much indeed.
Good morning, everybody. This morning I've been telling you that things are going to heat up as we go through the course of this week, especially so in Scotland and Northern Ireland from Thursday. It's already happening across England and Wales. Just to give you an idea, these are the kind of temperatures you can expect in our capital cities. So even as high as 32 Celsius in London is potentially going to happen on Sunday and Monday.
And it's hot, hot, hot. Morning.
It certainly is. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. The weather is heating up over the next few days. But mind you, if you're just stepping out now, it's not a cold start to the day.
Wow.
Carol, I've got a question for you. If you could sing a duet with anybody, who might that be?
Brian Adams. Sorry. Very tempting as it is to sing with you both.
If you were at Brian Adams'
No.
gig and he called you up onto the stage to do it in front of thousands of people, would you do it?
I would leave burn marks
Yes, she
on
would.
the turf getting up there,
Yeah,
yes.
Okay.
She'd definitely do it.
Would the thousands of people then stay in the arena? I'm not sure.
We normally have a really beautiful, picturesque, stunning picture that Carol brings to us. And this morning, what are you trying to tell us, Kirky?
Blue skies, Sal, blue skies.
Never mind the graveyard.
No.
Halloween.
Actually, look at the grass, because that's reminding me pollen levels today are
Correct.
high or very high across many parts of the country. We're talking grass pollen and weed pollen as well. Good morning, everyone. This stunning picture of the churchyard was taken a wee bit earlier by one of our weather watchers in Cornwall. Now, many of us waking up to some blue skies this morning, but there is some cloud around and quite a bit across parts of the north and the west. Thick enough for some light and patchy rain, as you can see, in Perth and Kinross.
And I think it might be that moment in the year where Carol is about to break out that very famous word.
Scorchio.
She's done it.
Yeah.
First time this year, because it is. The temperature is shooting up as we go through this week, especially so from Thursday and especially across England and Wales. Good morning, everybody. If you're stepping out this morning in Southend-on-Sea, this is the kind of sky you'll be looking at. Beautiful blue skies. Now, if you're wondering when this is going to break down, there are hints, but it's absolutely not nailed on. It could be in the southwest on Sunday with some thunderstorms, but Sal and John, that could easily change.
Stay.
Scorchio.
Yeah. Going to keep making us say it.
Everybody's hanging on every Scorchio, aren't they? Because, you know, whether you love it, whether you need the rain,
Yes.
whether you hate it, it affects everybody, particularly when it's that kind of heat.
Absolutely right. And we do need the rain. Some places haven't seen rain for quite a while, so we do need it. But it's nice to enjoy the sunshine as well.
Socchio or Scorchio?
Radio.
Radio.
I think Socchio will catch on so much.
Thank you, Carol.
Now I'm going to show you the temperature anomaly map, and any time you see red colours it means temperatures are well above average for the time of the year, and you can see how things change later this week as the heat builds further north. And by Friday we could see temperatures a lot higher in Scotland and Northern Ireland, up to 27 degrees, perhaps in Scotland the same as across parts of England and Wales. What we've got at the moment, though, is warmth and sunshine, and we're going to see more very warm and sunny weather developing more widely through the rest of the week, and eventually that heat is going to be heading northwards as well. Lovely and warm in the sunshine today across many parts of England and Wales. Just a bit of thin, wispy high cloud. Much further north here in Northern Ireland, there's a bit more cloud around, just giving 1 or 2 showers as well. Temperatures here not quite so high.
Hello there and a very good evening to you. I hope you had a lovely day. Some beautiful starts. You can't really fail, can you, with a bit of sunshine and some flowers and sea. We've got plenty more sunshine this week, temperatures climbing and some warmer nights to come as well, getting a little bit stickier as the week goes on. Settled weather and those rising temperatures are perfect conditions for the grass pollen to flourish. So very high levels, I'm afraid, over the next few days, and high levels of weed pollen as well. Have a super evening. Take care. Cheerio.
Well, some will love it, some will hate it. The heat isn't for everybody, and it's quite likely that we'll be seeing more heat waves as our climate continues to warm, of course. And for many of us across the UK, heat wave criteria will be met by the time we get to the end of the working week. Not quite yet, though, but we still got to 27 degrees Celsius today in parts of London and in Cambridgeshire.
Of course, it's here, and I gather it's going to get even more so in the days to come.
Indeed, Riz, even warmer and potentially heat wave criteria being met by the end of the week as well, Riz. So yes, getting warmer certainly. Today was warm as well, wasn't it? Look at the sunshine here captured by one of our weather watchers. Just a bit of fair weather cloud around here in Surrey and elsewhere as well. The flowers are blooming in the sunshine. This was a scene sent in from one of our weather watchers in Kew Gardens. So today we reached 27 Celsius in London, while over the next few days it's going to get even warmer.
A very good evening to you. Hotting up once more as this week wears on. Temperatures set to climb in the next few days. More and more strong mid-June sunshine expected for all of us, together with mild nights, increasingly warm nights come the end of the week, and it will feel a little more uncomfortable by then.